Pally Creative. Today we're going to be making these beautiful handprint baubles. Easy to make and a lovely keepsake for your own tree or maybe for somebody in your family.
Now where's my gold paint? Pip, actually that's quite good. So for your bauble you will need a 10cm bauble, some acrylic paint, a permanent marker, a paintbrush and a bowl for your paint. Always write on your bauble before you put your print on it. Writing on a curved surface is difficult, but if you rest the base of your palm on the bauble, you'll find it easier. Always remember to include your child's name and the year. Hold your hand up in a high five. Hold on. I'm going to put the base of the bauble down in the palm. Get to rest your fingers on it. Okay, give them a gentle press, and I'm going to pull this away and down. And that's a perfect handprint.
And that's a perfectly stained hand.
Hand up in a high five. Okay, now don't close your fingers down till I say. Gently down, just leave your fingers flat on there, don't move, and pull away. Yay, perfect. Right, off to wash your hands.